In this video, I'll show you how to fix a Shopify store unavailable error. First, if your Shopify store shows as unavailable, start with the most common cause, which is billing. If your subscription payment failed or your store account has a billing issue, Shopify may freeze the store, and that can stop customers from viewing it normally. So log into the Shopify admin as the store owner and check the billing section first. If there's an unpaid charge or failed payment, fix that before trying anything else. In many cases, the store becomes available again once billing is resolved. If billing looks fine, the next thing to check is the store status. If the store was paused, deactivated, or accidentally closed, you may need to reopen it by choosing a plan again and completing the reactivation process. After that, look at your domain settings. Sometimes the store itself is still active, but the connected domain is broken or misconfigured. In that case, it can look like the whole store is unavailable when really the issue is just with the website address. Go to Settings, then Domains, and check that everything is still connected properly. A good test here is to try your default Shopify URL. If the default link works but the custom domain doesn't, then the problem is most likely on the domain side. You should also check whether your online store sales channel is active, whether the theme is published, and whether a password page is turned on. Sometimes a store appears unavailable simply because visitors are being blocked by a setting you forgot was enabled. Finally, check your email inbox. If Shopify needs documents, flagged your store for review, or sent a warning notice, the store owner usually receives an email with instructions. So the fastest order for troubleshooting is this: check billing, confirm the store is active, test the domain, try the default Shopify link, review your storefront settings, and then look for any email from Shopify. That's how to fix a Shopify store unavailable error. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.